The 410 single-shot shotgun has always held a special place in the hunting world. It's simple, lightweight, and surprisingly effective when used by a skilled hunter. Many people think of the 410 as just a beginner gun, but modern ammunition and improved shotgun designs have turned it into a serious tool for small game and even turkey hunting. In 2026, several manufacturers are producing 410 single-shot shotguns that combine classic reliability with modern performance. But here's the interesting question. Which one actually offers the best overall performance for hunters today? Is it the premium American-made option, the budget workhorse, or one of the ultra-lightweight survival-style guns? Some of the results might not be what you expect. Today, we're counting down the top 5 410 single-shot hunting shotguns in 2026. Pay close attention to the number 1 spot because it might surprise you. And as always, if you have experience with any of these shotguns or think another one deserves to be on this list, let us know in the comments. Hunters always have strong opinions, and that conversation is part of what makes this community great. At number 5, we have one of the most unusual firearms on this list, the Chiappa Little Badger 410. While it does not look like a traditional hunting shotgun, this lightweight single-shot design has become popular among hunters who value portability and simplicity. The Little Badger uses a minimalist wire frame instead of a full stock, which keeps the weight extremely low at about 3 pounds. The barrel length is around 20 inches, with an overall length close to 31 inches when unfolded. One of its most practical features is the folding design, allowing the shotgun to collapse into a compact size that easily fits in a backpack or vehicle compartment. In real hunting situations, the Little Badger performs best within 15 to 25 yards. At that distance, the 410 bore can be effective for small game such as rabbits, squirrels, and pest control. The break action system with an exposed hammer is extremely simple and dependable, with very few moving parts that could fail in the field. Some versions also include accessory rails that allow hunters to mount small optics if desired. However, the lightweight skeleton stock is not as comfortable as a traditional shotgun stock, and the shorter barrel makes it slightly less stable for precise shooting. With a typical price around $200 to $300, the Chiappa Little Badger offers an affordable and highly portable option. It may not be the most refined hunting shotgun, but its rugged simplicity and ultra-light weight make it a practical trail gun, earning it the number 5 spot on this list. Moving up to number 4, we have a shotgun that represents the classic American farm gun. The H and R Pardner single-shot 410 may not be the newest design on the market, but it has earned a strong reputation among hunters for its durability and straightforward performance. This shotgun features a traditional break action system paired with a solid steel receiver and a simple wooden stock. Most versions come with a barrel length around 26 inches and an overall length close to 41 inches. The weight usually falls between 5 and 6 pounds, which gives it a stable feel when aiming while still remaining comfortable to carry during long hunting trips. In the field, the Pardner 410 performs best within 20 to 30 yards. That range is ideal for small game hunting, such as squirrels, rabbits, and other common woodland targets. The longer barrel helps produce consistent shot patterns, which is important when using the smaller 410 bore. One of the biggest strengths of this shotgun is reliability. The break action design is extremely simple and has been trusted by generations of hunters and farmers. There are very few mechanical parts involved, which makes the gun easy to maintain and dependable in tough outdoor conditions. The H and R Pardner is no longer widely produced today, but it remains easy to find on the used market. Prices typically range from about $200 to $400 depending on condition. For hunters who appreciate a traditional, no-nonsense shotgun that simply works, the Pardner continues to be a solid and practical choice, which is why it earns the number 4 position on this list. At number 3, we have a shotgun built for hunters who want the lightest possible firearm without giving up reliability. The Rossi Tuffy 410 is designed around a simple break-action platform combined with a durable synthetic stock, creating a shotgun that is both rugged and extremely easy to carry in the field. The Tuffy typically features a barrel length of about 26 inches and an overall length close to 41 inches. What really makes this shotgun stand out is its weight. Most versions weigh just under 3 pounds, which is significantly lighter than many traditional single-shot shotguns. That makes it an excellent choice for younger hunters, long hikes through rough terrain, or anyone who prefers a lightweight hunting setup. When it comes to practical performance, the Rossi Tuffy works best at distances between 20 and 30 yards. Within that range, the 410 bore can deliver effective patterns for small game, such as rabbits, squirrels, and similar targets. The longer barrel also helps improve pattern consistency, which is important for hunters using a smaller gauge like the 410. Another useful feature is the modern synthetic stock, which is more resistant to weather and rough outdoor conditions than traditional wood stocks. Some versions even include built-in shell storage in the buttstock, allowing hunters to keep extra ammunition easily accessible during a hunt. Of course, the lightweight design does come with a few trade-offs. The overall build quality is not as refined as some higher-end shotguns, and the synthetic stock may not appeal to hunters who prefer a more traditional look and feel. The Rossi Tuffy usually sells for around $200 to $300, making it one of the more affordable 410 single-shot hunting shotguns available. With its combination of low weight, practical design, and dependable break-action system, it earns the number 3 spot on our list of the best 410 single-shot hunting shotguns in 2026. At number 2, we have one of the most widely used 410 single-shot shotguns among modern hunters, the Stevens 301. This shotgun has built a strong reputation for delivering dependable performance at a very reasonable price, making it a favorite choice for beginners as well as experienced hunters who want a simple and reliable field gun. The Stevens 301 typically comes with a 26-inch barrel and an overall length of around 41 inches. Its weight is usually about 4.5 pounds, which provides a good balance between stability and portability. The shotgun uses a traditional break-action system with an exposed hammer, a design known for its simplicity and long-term reliability in tough hunting conditions. In the field, the Stevens 301 performs best within 25 to 30 yards. At those distances, the 410 bore can produce effective patterns for small game hunting, including rabbits, squirrels, and similar targets. The longer barrel helps maintain consistent shot patterns and improves overall accuracy compared to shorter 410 shotguns. One feature that many hunters appreciate is the availability of specialized versions, including models designed for turkey hunting. These versions often include tighter choke systems and optics rails, allowing hunters to improve pattern performance and aiming precision when using modern 410 turkey loads. The Stevens 301 usually sells for about $200 to $300, making it one of the best values in the single-shot shotgun market. It may not have the premium finish of higher-end guns, but its combination of reliability, practical performance, and affordability makes it one of the most dependable 410 hunting shotguns available today. That is exactly why it takes the number 2 spot on this list. Taking the number 1 spot on this list is the Henry Single Shot 410, a shotgun that many hunters consider the premium standard in the modern single-shot category. While several budget options perform well in the field, Henry stands out by combining classic craftsmanship with dependable hunting performance. The Henry Single Shot typically features a 26-inch barrel and an overall length of about 42 inches. The shotgun weighs around 6 pounds, which gives it a solid and balanced feel when aiming. Unlike some lighter models, that extra weight helps reduce movement while tracking small game and makes the shotgun feel more stable in the hands. In practical hunting conditions, the Henry 410 performs best at ranges between 25 and 30 yards. Within that distance, the 410 bore can produce clean and consistent patterns for small game such as squirrels, rabbits, and similar targets. The longer barrel also helps maintain steady shot patterns, giving hunters better confidence when taking careful shots in the field. One of the biggest advantages of this shotgun is its build quality. The Henry uses a strong steel receiver paired with a well-finished American walnut stock. The brake action system operates smoothly and is known for its reliability, while the interchangeable choke system allows hunters to adjust the shotgun for different types of hunting situations. Of course, that higher quality does come with a higher price. The Henry single-shot 410 usually sells for around $500 to $600, depending on the model. However, many hunters believe the improved craftsmanship, durability, and smooth operation make it well worth the investment. For hunters who appreciate a traditional shotgun that is built with care and performs reliably in the field, the Henry single-shot 410 represents one of the best choices available today. Its combination of classic design, strong construction, and consistent hunting performance is exactly why it earns the #1 position on this list. So, those were the top 5 .410 single-shot hunting shotguns in 2026. From ultra-lightweight survival guns to classic American hunting designs, each of these shotguns brings something different to the field. The .410 may be small, but in the right hands, it can be an incredibly effective hunting tool. Now we want to hear from you. Which one would you choose for your next hunt? Do you agree that the Henry deserves the #1 spot? Or do you think another shotgun should have taken that position? Maybe there is a .410 single shot that you have used for years that we did not include. Let us know your thoughts down in the comments, because your experience always adds to the conversation. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more honest firearm reviews and hunting gear rankings, make sure to support the channel. Hit the like button, subscribe to Alpha Gunreview, and turn on notifications so you do not miss our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.